this video, we're going to talk about the manual creation of breakout rooms using WebEx trainings. So you're going to want to make sure that breakout session panel is open. If it's not, you'll go to Breakout, Open, Breakout Session Panel. We're going to click on the option for Breakout Assignment in the bottom right-hand corner. Once the pop-up box appears, click Manual. And then now you've got the option to begin creating your manual sessions. Before you can add people into the sessions, you do have to create your breakout sessions. So I'm going to choose Add Session. By default, they're going to be named Breakout Session 1, 2, 3, 4, but you can change the name. So I'm going to rename mine to Hogwarts. And then I'm going to add a second session called the Shrieking Shack. Once I have my rooms or my sessions in there, I can delete sessions or delete all the sessions at once and start over from scratch. Then I need to start moving my people into the room. The first attendee you put into a room will automatically become the presenter, but you can change them from a different presenter. The district recommendation is that only staff members are presenters in breakout sessions. So I'm going to go ahead and move Dumbledore into Hogwarts and move Snape into the Shrieking Shack. And then I'm going to add in my other students to those rooms. So click on a name and click on those arrow boxes. If I need to move people around, I can click on them and drag them back out, or I can simply right click and move them to a different room or remove them from the session. If I need to make Draco the presenter, I can right click and choose Make a Presenter. Another option you may want to look at is at the bottom of the screen. There is an option to make some different settings for your room. So I'm going to click on the Hogwarts session. Here I can choose let others join breakout session without invitation. What that does is I'm going to originally put them into these rooms. If I put this as a check mark, then that means that these attendees can change rooms. Neville could leave the Hogwarts room and then join the Shrieking Shack room. If this button is not checked, then Neville is in the Hogwarts room, and if he leaves the Hogwarts room, he is going to come back to the main session. He is not going to have the option to join another room. So it depends on how you want to set up these breakout rooms. If you have different topics happening in each room and you want to let your participants jump in and out of rooms, that is the option that you would want to check, and you have to do it per session, or you can choose the option apply to all, and that would apply that to all of your rooms as well. Okay, once you have that set, we're going to click OK, and then in our panel we now have our breakout rooms. So if we needed to move people, we realized we had them in the wrong spot, we're going to have to click on breakout assignment again, and then we can move them. You can, from this, change the presenter option if needed. And then once you're ready to begin your session, you would click the start button. And we're going to discuss what happens once you click the start button in the next video.